Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Friday. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make ginger tea. It's the best home remedy for cough, cold and sore throat. This is ginger tea. I'm just going to allow it to get cold a little so I can drink mine. This is really nice. It's good, especially in cold weather. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you,